Good afternoon. It is August the 12th, 2016, and time to wrap up another day's trading. This morning, we had a preferred buy was 75.77. We could engage the market in the 79 to 81 area too. This was the preferred buy, and we got into it really three times. 1, 2, 3. My feeling is I really don't trust the short side of the market. I like the long side of the market. We don't have a lot of range to work with today. We started off with a 4-point range. Eventually it got up to about a 5-point range, and then we ended up today with 76 to 83, a 7-point range. So that's just very, very difficult trading, the summertime market. You had to stay with any of these trades to get paid. That trade happened pretty quickly, that trade happened pretty quickly, but the rest of it's just been a very, very slow grind. So market still looks higher to me until something external factor hits the market and changes things. On the F1 screen, we didn't have a higher high, nor did we have a lower low. We have an inside day, so that's a trading range, but we're still looking at pretty strong P's all the way up, and we're dealing with one right now since we've made new highs. Looking at the F2 screen, putting them together, it's a B. So we've got a trading range, and we've got I think we're going to come in Monday and see 70 to 75 as support, and we're going to see 83, 85 as resistance. And if you had to make a trade at the market, you would do it from the long side. So 75 plus or minus will be buy 1. 70, 72 will be buy 2. On the sell side, 82 to 85, sell 1. 89 to 91, sell 2. Treasuries had a big rally this morning off the news, gave most of it back. Non-spread was up just a little bit. So we have weak economic news supporting the financials or treasuries. Almost an inside day right here. Do have a higher high. So you can see where we've got a seller at 32.28. And we've got a buyer at 32 even in the 10-year. So this screen says you can buy weakness to see if we can take out today's highs. And we have a P. We do a G split right here. You can see we may have started a new distribution lower. So the first thing that catches my eye right here is this 2-letter ledge at 32.12. We're at 17, and we are pointed lower right now, so we'll put the first buy 9 to 13. On the assumption the E-mini's not doing much, and then 1 to 5 for buy 2. On the sell side, 20 to 24, and then 27 to 31 for sell 2. Looking at the 30-year, same split. We've got resistance at 4 to 8. So 11 to 15, sell 1. And we had that nice spill from 26, so 23 to 27, sell 2. And Rich, again, thanks for the heads up on that. Supports 24 to 28. So buy 1, 17 to 21. And then 5 to 9, buy 2. And Looking at gold, outside day trading range, so our 35.37 is probably pretty good support. Got a seller above 60 now. Definitely a B. Started in G period. Everybody said that came on the closing of the European market. A large order at the market entered the gold market. So 35.37 is buy one. 29 to 31 buy two. On the upside, 43.45 and 49.51 for sell two. Looking at crude oil, strong day up, and it really does have the feel of a short squeeze, just not getting up. So 45 is our next target. Get through that. Start of the selling started at 46, so just did not give it up today. Couple distributions higher. So resistance is at 60, so 44.75, 45, sell one. Assume we'll be higher in London. And then 45.50, 45.75 for sell two, picking up this high volume number right there. Got a low volume number, a dent right here, so got a high volume number and a low volume number between 44.75 and 45 even. On the buy side, 44 even, 44 and a quarter. And 43.50, 43.75 for buy two. And the euro had a nice rally this morning off of our weaker than forecast economic news. Germany's GDP was above consensus estimates. Certainly helpful. Outside day trading range. Again, we have the problem in the euro that it's not like they don't believe it, but you have the central bank that openly has come out and said they want the euro lower. So when it rallies a bit, they don't have any trouble finding sellers. And definitely a B in an up market. That means long liquidation. Perhaps a new selling. So we rejected prices above 12.25, which is quite a ways away. So 112 even, sell one. 25, sell two. We didn't make our 11.75. That's where support is. So, but let's go for a stretch. Let's try our 11.50 for buy one. 11.25 for buy two. Folks, that is it for the 12th of August. Have a cooler weekend here facing us, which I'm going to enjoy. I hope the weekend sets up and gives you everything that you wanted on your end. I will see you bright and early Monday morning. I'm going to go tell number 3 daughter goodbye here, help her get packed up in the car, and we'll be back and at it bright and early Monday morning. I'm out of here.